In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Formstack in HTML. Easy Embed tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a form in Formstack and embed your own HTML or third-party snippets directly inside it using the Embed code field. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Formstack website. On the homepage, select Sign In, enter your email and password, then click Login to reach your account dashboard. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow your usual sign-in method. The goal is simply to get to the Forms product. From the dashboard, look for the products menu and choose Forms. Next, click Create Form. You'll see options to choose the kind of form you want to build. Pick the option that best matches your needs. You'll be prompted to enter a form name and a form URL. The URL becomes the shareable link or slug for your form. So keep it short, clear, and lowercase with hyphens if needed. When you're ready, decide whether to start with a blank form or jump in with a template. A blank form gives you full control, while a template can save time if you already see a layout you like. Inside the form builder, locate the Advanced Fields panel. In that section, find the Embed Code field. Click and drag the Embed Code field onto your form, placing it exactly where you want your custom content to appear. After you drop it in, click the field you just added to open its settings. You'll see a field-specific area where you can paste your code. Now paste your HTML, iframe, or trusted script snippet into that box. This is perfect for embedding things like a video, a map, a calendar, or a custom widget. Keep a few best practices in mind. Make sure any external resources load over HTTPS, avoid untrusted code, and check that the snippet you're using is compatible with being embedded. If something doesn't display, it's often due to a content security policy or a script that requires additional permissions. Once your code is in place, save your changes and use the preview option to see exactly how the embed appears within your form. If the placement isn't quite right, drag the field to a new position or adjust spacing with additional fields. You can add more embed code fields if you need multiple custom sections. That's it. You searched for Formstack, signed in, created a form, set the name and URL, chose a starting point, opened advanced fields, dragged in the embed code field, selected it, and pasted your code into the field-specific box. With that, your custom HTML is now part of your Formstack form. Thanks for watching and happy building.